This week, I closed over 6 figures of wholesaling real estate deals from people just sending me deals. Like people sending me JV deals. I'm using X leads to find the buyer and I'm getting them dispoed. I am able to do this because I have chosen this path. I have consciously made this decision that I want to make millions of dollars from other people knowing about me. And you have the opportunity to go learn and earn and do the same thing with me. And this really got me thinking, 6 figures in a week. When I first started wholesaling real estate, I begged myself, like if I could just make 6 figures in a year, I wouldn't have to be a bag boy. And now I'm thinking about this and it got me thinking, I'm no smarter than you. I'm for a ton of people way younger than you. Why aren't you at where I'm at? And this is not a video of me saying, yeah, I'm better than you. I know legitimately take this concept or this framework in your mind. Like, why is Zach so young and making millions of dollars and I'm not? We're both in the same community, even though I'm the leader of it, right? We have the same 24 hours. Like, what is stopping you from making 6 figures in a week? Now, obviously, there's an elephant in the room. Like, Zach actually owns the community, right? Wholesaling.com. People come for me. But you could have made your own free wholesaling course. You could have made your own community. You could have made your own YouTube channel. I get it. But there's something inherently not special about me. I'm just a regular person. I'm no superhuman. I am not the greatest person of all time. I'm just a regular guy who got into wholesaling real estate at a very young age. The thing is, you can do the same exact thing. I've transformed my life with just 3 simple stepping stones, right? The first thing is I just mastered wholesaling, right? Just making 6 figures by myself solo. I'm calling it solo 100K in wholesaling real estate. I've got really rich doing that and very, very successful. Now, the next stepping stone was me learning how to master virtual wholesaling and scaling, right? About 19, 20 years old when this started happening, I got my first deal at 17. About that was just mastering how to virtually wholesale and really cold call and then turning that into scaling where I started working with Rick and we partnered together and really getting into a regular 6-figure wholesaling business to becoming a millionaire at age 20 and then making it $1 million plus a year in wholesaling real estate. And then when I was really 19, I started just sharing my journey on YouTube for fun. And then it got crazy. People started sending me JV deals and I started using that. And I was kind of the first person in wholesaling to leverage that to get JV deals sent to me. So everything I've done, I'm not going to call myself a trailblazer, but I was the first person to really share as a teenager how to get rich wholesaling. Then I taught it all for free. And then I started using my following to get JV deals. The thing is, all you have to do is just ride on my back on this wave of success and you're going to hit it. We have a lot of people, we have hundreds of people in my Discord and Wholesaling.com that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars just doing this. They're just saying, hey, if you need help finding a buyer, I got X leads, let's get to work. And I'm not even telling you to even master scaling or virtual wholesaling, right? I'm just asking you to master the basic concepts of wholesaling, be a good human being, right? Do the right ethical thing, don't steal deals, and just JV with people in my community. Obviously, if you do that, you're gonna make a ton of money. And I just challenge anybody, if you've done a deal or a couple deals, go back in the community, actually teach people for free. It's a very crazy foreign concept to just give something, give good information to somebody across the country about how to wholesale and don't ask anything in return. I don't want your money, I don't want a deal, I just want to help. And if there's anybody around that has a JV, because I'm the guy, send me a deal, right? And this is why I'm not you have to go, every JV deal must come through me, because I want people to be teachers in the community to teach you guys how to do it for free. And we have a lot of these people, right? Corey in Tennessee, Luca in Dallas, right? I love Aaron in Louisiana, right? All these guys, if you got a deal in Louisiana, I'm gonna go to Aaron Armstrong, right? He's at Wholesaling.com Discord. But I just challenge anybody to do this. And you don't even need to get your first deal to JV. We've got plenty of people, their first deal is a JV deal. And the thing is, you just got to ride the wave that I'm on. I'm being honest with you, there's not many people that can go create a YouTube channel and get millions and millions of views like I'm doing right now and get a free community with hundreds of thousands of people. It's very hard. I'm not asking you to do that, right? I'm not asking you to pocket millions of dollars of payroll for editors and YouTube and studios and offices, and I'm not asking for that. What I'm asking you to do is just be in the community and just give value and get JV deals. It's a learn and earn situation. It's pretty dang good. And I'm a little fired up today because we just banned somebody in the Discord in the community. And a lot of people in the Discord, they know who I'm talking about. This person's probably watching this. This is a person who was a literal teenager. So I'm 19, I think. Teenagers are gonna be teenagers, right? But this person was making $25,000 to $30,000 a month from my Discord and from freewholesaling.com. Legitimately, they were giving awesome free value. Like they learned from me, and then they taught people how to wholesale based on my teachings, which are awesome. And then they got JV deals. Like this one guy, he's making $30,000 a month doing this. And you think I'm like trying to like say good about this guy, but like not really, because he's making $30,000 a month. And he decided to throw making 30 grand a month from my Discord, because you guys follow me and you're in my community, you're in my Discord, right? If you want to go to my Discord, zachdiscord.com, it's completely free. You guys all join me and check out my stuff, because I've built a lot of reputation and goodwill with you that I'm not going to go out here and try to charge you, $500 a month or $1,000 or 15 grand for some boot camp. Like, I'm just here to teach you for free, so you send me JV deals. That's my MO. Like, that's my thing. I have this great reputation in the industry about this, and that's awesome. And then he decides to throw it all away, and he is going to go all in on himself to be a mentor, which is just hilarious. Like, he makes all of his money JVing with my community. And he decided to go put on his profiles and just go DM everyone in the community he knew that he did JV. That he has a $99 course, which is lifetime access, which is, I'm not gonna get into the politics of that, but if you're 19 years old and you sell something for lifetime, like I'm gonna mentor you for life, you better be 75 years old picking up my phone call about a wholesaling question. And if you don't do that, which I can guarantee he will not do that, that is fraudulent and dishonest. Like, I even give people who give like $30,000 courses for lifetime, at least for 30 grand, you're probably gonna be coaching the guy for life. At $100, I know you're not. Like, it's not a real thing. And so that's dishonest and fraudulent in my mind. And instantly we had to ban the guy, because he's just trying to sell $100 courses saying that I'm promoting it and I gave the guy permission to do it. And we just banned him. And he's very upset at me that he cannot make $30,000. And this is a kid who learned from freewholesaling.com. He had no money to get into wholesaling real estate, so he joined my free wholesaling community because he had no money and he didn't want to get sold. He started making 10 grand a month, and then he started JVing with people, and his life got amazing. Got out of mama's house. But guess what? Now your only source of income was from my community, and you decided to break the rules. We got 2 rules in all my communities. You guys know my rules. Number 1, don't bully, don't discriminate, don't be racist. Like, that's just standard human being stuff. And then number 2, don't sell a course. That's it, and he broke rule number 2. So the thing about this, and the lesson I want to show you is, you can make a ton of money from just going off my following. There's nobody else on YouTube that has as many views per month and subscribers joining our channels every single month than me and Rick. And the thing is, the chance of you creating your own channel to do that, it's pretty low. And I'm not saying that in a mean way, but like, probably not making as much money as I in wholesaling. And I make a ton of money doing JVs and assignments and doing great. It's good stuff. I'm 25, it's awesome. But the amount of time you'd have to put into doing the content game, it's not worth it. Like, I know you guys see me behind a camera, but I do have like 5 people that I pay full time to go edit videos and record stuff and deal with my JV operations and deal with my underwriting and my virtual wholesaling and my in-person and my acquisitions. Like, it's a big operation. And the chance of you duplicating that in under a year is gonna be very hard. But you can build on everything I've built and just be a part of that community, and then go out here and just make, I don't know, call it 30 grand a month. And then from there, then you can go and do your own thing after that. But the amount of people that I see that try to like sell these $1,000 courses, it's like, you could just do one JV deal and make $20,000 and your life's changed. That's just from somebody who has a deal, you split it, you make $15,000, $20,000 in a month. And you don't have to be a coach, which is really annoying. I built this YouTube channel to teach you how to wholesale for free. I'm not gonna ask you for coaching money. I just wanna help you out. You can get X leads and sign up, and that's great. You're gonna use a wholesaling software either way. And of course, you have a $20,000 deal, you give it to me, I make 10, you make 10. We're all pretty happy. But the thing about this is, I'm here to just give you the knowledge and the access to get rich for free. For every person that gives me a JV deal that makes 20 grand and I make 20 grand, it's a $40,000 deal, is nice. But for every one person I do a JV deal with, there's like 100 people who decided not to JV and they wanted to keep the full 40 grand and they're okay with it. I see no problem with that. I don't get upset. I'm like, you go, bro, because they're gonna have a deal in my market that they just can't dispel, and it's gonna get sent to me. I'm the first guy to get a call for. Now we're gonna talk about reputation again. Of the thousands of wholesaling JV deals I've done, I've not screwed one person on a deal. Like, you could publicly go blast me out if I screwed you on a wholesaling deal, but like, my reputation is that big that I don't screw people from JV deals. So that's why they come with me, right? And people get screwed on JV deals like, well, you didn't send it to me. The thing is, I'm able to get 6 figures a week doing this because I'm not selling coaching. I'm able to help you out. And if you just find what I'm doing, which you can learn from freewholesaling.com and help people out, you're gonna get rich in this business. So yes, I make a ton of money wholesaling. But the best part about that is I made this business in a way where you can write off my success. So if you're ready to start this journey and just start JVing, learning how to wholesale, be in my community, just learning from other people, there's probably 15 people hanging out in the Discord lounge right now. And there's people that sell these crazy Discords for like 60 bucks a month. It's crazy. Just join for free. Free Discord, zachdiscord.com. My free wholesaling community and course is freewholesaling.com. Guys, the world's your oyster here. You need to decide right now if you're willing to make a change or not. I made that decision in my life to just start moving forward, one step forward and getting better and better and better. And now I'm a multimillionaire living the life of my dreams. Guys, I know you can ride the wave and just go in my community, start making a ton of money. Don't sell coaching, don't be a bully. You'll be pretty much good to go. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. Success is your duty and it's completely up in your hands. It's not in my hands, not in the president's hands, not in the economy's hands. It is completely in your hands. What are you going to do with this opportunity? Guys, let me know in the comments and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.